The 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 marks the comeback of a beloved lightweight street motorcycle that earned its reputation for simplicity, reliability, and everyday fun. This new generation stays true to its roots while adding modern refinements that make it more practical, more efficient, and more connected to the needs of today's riders. Designed for city streets, daily commuting, and relaxed weekend rides, the Thunder 125 continues the legacy of being approachable yet surprisingly capable. Design and build quality. The updated design blends retro minimalism with subtle modern touches. A sculpted fuel tank, slim side panels, and a clean tail section create a timeless silhouette. LED lighting improves visibility while maintaining a classic round headlamp look. The seat is broader and more supportive, offering comfort for longer rides, and the upright riding posture keeps fatigue low in dense traffic. Built on a sturdy steel frame, the Thunder 125 focuses on durability and ease of maintenance, a motorcycle meant to last. Engine and performance. At its heart is a refined 124cc, air-cooled engine tuned for smooth power delivery and impressive fuel economy. The throttle response is predictable and friendly, ideal for new riders, yet there's enough low-end torque to handle inclines and overtakes in the city. A 5-speed gearbox delivers efficient shifting, while updated engine mapping reduces vibration and improves efficiency. The Thunder 125 isn't about outright speed. It's about consistent, confident performance in real-world riding. Riding dynamics. Lightweight and compact, dimensions make the bike agile and easy to maneuver through tight traffic. Telescopic front forks and a twin-shock rear setup absorb bumps well, offering a balanced ride across rough roads. Braking confidence comes from a front disc and rear drum combination, tuned for progressive stopping power. Whether weaving through city lanes or cruising at moderate highway speeds, the Thunder 125 feels stable, predictable, and rider-friendly. Technology and practical features. The 2026 model introduces a semi-digital instrument cluster featuring fuel level, gear indicator, trip meters, and essential alerts. USB charging adds convenience for navigation and smartphones on long commutes. With excellent fuel efficiency and a well-sized tank, riders can travel farther between stops. Optional accessories, including luggage racks and crash protection, make it versatile for both daily commuting and light touring. Ownership experience. Maintenance remains simple and affordable. Parts availability, straightforward engineering, and reliable build quality reduce long-term costs. The Thunder 125 appeals to learners, commuters, and riders who value practicality over complexity, a dependable partner rather than a high-maintenance machine. Conclusion. Built for everyday riding, the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 brings back everything riders loved about the original.